Hello.
Hello. Hi, Suresh. Good morning.
Yes, yeah. Good morning.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Sharing my screen. Let me know when you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yeah.
Still loading. Okay. So last class we have finished union operators and joins, right?
Yes, yeah.
So let's discuss about ranking functions today.
Okay.
In ranking functions, we have top, row number, rank, for instance. So these are the different ranking functions. Sorry, not only these three are the ranking functions: row number, rank, and dense ranks. Okay, let's discuss about the first one. So usually, a row number is used to generate a sequence number based on the columns, based on the rows. Okay.
Okay.
So if you use the row number function for every record, so there will be a unique sequence generated along with the data. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see some examples. Say here, this is our data we are having, right?
Yeah.
Say if you see the 1, 2, 3, 4, say, I mean, on the extreme left side, you see the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, yeah.
So they are not part of data. Okay.
Yeah, that are serial numbers.
Those are just serial numbers. They are not
Yeah.
part of data. Okay. But
Okay.
if you want those kind of numbers also to be part of data, so like, just like a sequence number generated, so you can use row number function. Okay. Let's see how we can use row number function here. Okay, this is the row number. Okay. Over. And for these ranking functions, okay, sorting order is very important. Okay. Without using the sorting order, you will not be able to generate the numbers or anything. You will not be able to generate the row number or rank. Okay. Sorting order is very important here. So we have to write the row number over order by.
Okay.
Now I want to do the order by on employee number column. Okay. Now what will happen is the row numbers, the sequence number will be generated in the order of employee numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. You see, the table is also sorted in the order of employee number. Okay.
Yeah.
Ascending order. Okay. For the first row, it has assigned 1, second row, it is assigned 2, third row, 3, like this. Okay. We'll give an alias number. So if you see in the order of employee number, it has generated the sequence numbers for all the records. Okay.
Okay.
Clear about row number?
Yeah, yeah. Sir.
It will just generate a sequence
serial number too.
Serial numbers for all the records. Okay.
Got it.
In the given order. In the given order. So order is very important here.
Okay. Order by.
Okay, order is
Yeah.
very important. Without giving the order, so it will not work. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So one more thing is, so we have, so you know group by, right?
Yeah.
So what it will do? It will group. It will do just count of, or it will just aggregate the values based on a particular column, right?
Yeah.
Let's say if you want to group by the department number, it will just group by the department numbers, and it will give you the count number of employees or the max salary of employees, whatever it is, right?
Yeah.
The same concept is available in the ranking function also. Okay. So
Okay.
instead of generating serial numbers for all the records, you can generate serial numbers for a particular group. Okay. For
Okay.
different groups, you can generate different sequence numbers just by doing the group by. Okay.
Okay.
But in the row number, in the ranking function concepts, it is called as partition by, not group by. It is called as partition by. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to group by, I want to partition by department number here. Okay. Now what will happen is, for every department number, it will have a different sequence numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So even though if we don't give the partition by, we have to give order by compulsorily. Okay.
Okay.
The order by is very compulsory. The sorting order is very important for the ranking functions.
Got it. Got it, sir.
Okay, let's run this. So if you see here, now it has grouped the data by department numbers. Okay. If you see, the first three records belongs to department number 10. Okay. So for all the records available in the department number 10, it has generated the serial numbers. You see 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
And again, it has started with 1. So if you see, these are all this is the group belonging to department number 20. For department 20, it has generated another sequence. It has started another sequence. Okay.
Yeah. Got it, sir.
Whatever the sequence that it has started earlier,
10.
it just
Now.
ended it, and it has started a new sequence. Okay.
Yeah.
Even for the 30 also same. It will just group by the data, and then it will
By
assign
department.
the row numbers by group. Okay.
Yeah.
If you see, for 40, it has 40, 50, 60, it is only 1, 1, 1. Because we have only 1, 1, 1 employees. Okay.
Got it. Got it, sir.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about rank. So, rank function will generate ranks based on the given values. Okay. Based on the values, it will generate the rank. You know, rank mean, right? So whenever you get highest marks, you will get rank 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kind of thing, right? No? The same thing. Based on the values, it will generate rank. Okay.
Yeah.
The catch here is, if two records having the same value, okay, it will give the same rank for
Same rank.
both of those records. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say 500 is the top marks. It is the first rank. The second rank is and the second highest is 400. So 400 is acquired by 2 people. So the system will give second rank for both of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Just like that. So here I'm not doing any partition by. I'm just doing giving the order by function. Okay. Rank of over order by employee number. This is what I'm doing. So now what it will do, based on the employee number, it will rank the employees, or else we will take salary. Instead of employee number, we will take salary. We will rank the employees based on their salaries. Okay.
Okay.
If you see, the data is now in the ascending order. Okay. Whoever is the first in the table, they will be assigned first rank. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
So if you want the highest salary to be first rank, you can use DESC. You can use the descending by. Okay. Now if you see the highest rank, highest salary employee will get first rank.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear?
Yeah. The same salary will get the same rank, right?
Yes, same. If you see the second and third records, both are having the salary of 3,000.
Yeah.
So the rank is same for both of them. And if you observe the next rank, there is no 3 here.
Yeah.
There is no third rank here. It directly jumped to fourth rank. Why? Because there is already a duplicate of second rank. There is already one duplicate of second rank. That's why it has jumped only one record. Okay. Let's say there are 2 duplicates of the second rank. What it will do? It will jump 2 ranks.
Okay. Yeah.
So after 2, the next rank will be 5.
Got it, sir.
Clear?
Yeah.
See, this is the second rank. So how many duplicates we have this? We have for
One.
the second rank, only one duplicate we have.
Yeah.
Right?
So it has
So it
jumped
has
to
jumped
fourth rank.
1 rank. So let's suppose we have 2 duplicates for this second rank. So it will jump 2 records. I mean 2 ranks. So the next value will be 5 here.
Fifth. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. So in the rank function also we can apply the partition by concept. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see now, department wise, it will give assign the ranks based on the salary. Okay. Let's check for the department number 10, 5,000 is the highest. Based on the ranks, it has given, based on the salary, it has given the ranks. 5,000 is first, 2450 is second, and 1,300 is third. Okay. The same way for department number 20 also. You see?
Yeah.
The top salary, which is 3,000, is available 2 times. Okay, right?
Yes.
So it has given for both these employees first rank. And it has skipped 1 rank. The next available rank is 3. Clear?
Yeah.
Right. Let's discuss about 10th rank. So we will just do the order by on salary itself. Now let's see. This dense rank is also the same concept. Okay, like just like rank. Okay. Just that it will not skip the ranks. Okay. Just that it will not skip the ranks. So if you see, we've got, so even though the second rank has 1 duplicate, it did not skip the next rank. It has given this next rank. Okay.
Got it.
Clear?
Yeah.
It is just the same concept like rank. It's just that it won't skip the next rank. Even though there are duplicates, for all the duplicates, it will assign 1 rank and it will just go to the next rank. Okay?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, yeah.
The same partition by concept we can apply here also. Clear?
Yeah.
Clear about rank, dense rank and row number?
Yes, yeah.
Say rank and dense rank are somewhat similar, but the catch is rank will skip the next rank if any records are duplicates. But dense rank will not skip any ranks. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Row number will just assign the serial numbers to all the records based on the given sorting order.
Yeah.
Okay. For all these ranking functions, order by the sorting order is very important. Okay. Based on the sorting order only, the ranks or the row numbers will be assigned.
And also we can partition by department number.
Yes. If you want to partition by not only department number, if you want to partition by different columns also, you can do that. Okay.
Yeah. Got it.
Clear?
Yeah.
The next concept is CD, common table expression. So this is a next concept which is called CTE, common table expression. Okay.
Okay.
So CTE is a temporary result set. Okay. CTE is a temporary result set which can be derived from the physical table. Okay.
Okay.
CTE is a temporary result set.
Sorry, Jian, once again.
Yeah.
CT is a temporary.
Temporary result set
Okay.
which can be derived from the
Physical.
physical table.
Got it, Jian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see how we can use the CTE. So the syntax for CTE is just have to write with CTE as. Okay. So this is the name of the temporary result set. Okay.
Yeah.
The CTE which I have mentioned here is the name of the temporary result set. You can change the name. It's not like you have to use CTE only. You can use any name here. Okay.
Yeah.
You can use any name. So this is the query which I am writing in the temporary result set. Okay. So the
Okay.
data coming from this query will be our temporary result set, which we can use in the next queries. Okay.
Got it.
Subsequent queries. So this is the data I'll get now. Okay. Just a minute. Sorry. So this is our query, inner query. I'm just doing the partition by partition by DPT number. Okay. So what will you get now? Krish,
Yeah, yeah.
what will you get now with this query? What is partition by?
It will assign the name for the serial numbers.
Sorry. It will assign?
A name for the serial numbers.
It will assign serial numbers, not the name.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And based on what? How it is going to assign the serial numbers?
Order
Based
by.
on the sorting order of salary.
Yeah.
Okay. Grouped by department number. Okay.
Okay.
So this query will assign the serial numbers in the sorting order of salary, grouped by department number. Clear?
Yeah.
See, in this particular query, so this is, let's say this is our query. Okay. So if I want to filter, okay, if I want to filter the data where I want to see only the highest salaries, okay,
Okay.
from each department, right?
Yes.
So if I want to see only the highest salaries from each department, what can I do for that? Just tell me simply. So this is my data set, okay?
Yeah.
So now I want to see the highest salary records from each department. Okay. Do you have any clue? I mean, I don't want the query, just a clue how you can achieve that.
It is similar to row number, right?
Yeah, you can take any column, you can consider any columns.
Yeah.
So I'm asking, how can I achieve? How can I get the highest salaries from each department?
Yeah, we have mentioned in DESC, descending order.
Yeah. So if you just in this particular data set, if I filter by where the row number equal to 1, I will get all the 1 records, right?
Yeah.
I'll get this one, I'll get this one, and I'll get this one, and I'll get all these things. So wherever it is, the row number is 1, so they are the highest salaried employees in their department, right?
Yeah.
So I can do the filter, right? But the thing is, I cannot use where condition and filter out. Okay.
Okay.
I cannot use filter condition here. That is not allowed because that is a ranking function. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
So to achieve this, so we can go with the concept of common table expression. Okay. Now, see earlier, this is our data, right?
Yeah.
Just this is our data. If you want to get the highest salaried employee from each department, you can make use of row number like this. Okay. Now, the row number is also a part of data set, right?
Yeah.
The row number is also part of data set. Now we will be able to filter the data. Select star from Suresh, where Rn equals to 1. Okay. If you see, I'm able to filter the data based on the row number. Okay.
Yeah.
But I cannot use the same filter in this query. Okay.
Okay.
I cannot use the same filter in the query. That's why I have to make use of CTE here. So
Got it. Got it.
our normal table is select star from EMP. Right? So
Yes.
So with this data, so we will not be able to filter out the highest salaried employee from each department, right? For
Yeah.
that, we have taken the help of row number. Okay. We have added row number to our data set, right? So based on this row number, we can filter out the employees. Clear?
Got it. Yeah.
So this is how we can make use of temporary. So if you see here, whatever the query is inside the CTE, that is a temporary result set. Our table, our original table is as it is now again. So it has not been changed, right?
Yeah.
It has not been changed. Just for our convenience purposes, we have added one more column to our table. That is row number column. Okay.
Yeah.
Just for our convenience purposes, we have added one more column to our table, and based on that column, we are filtering out the data. Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
So that's why this CT is a temporary data set only for the querying purposes. So our original table, physical table will not be affected. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Here. So say, let's see, you cannot execute this query alone. Okay. You cannot execute this query alone because is there a table name Suresh available in our database? No. Right?
Yeah. Using row number.
No, I'm talking about this query. So if you execute this query alone, will it work? No. It says invalid object Suresh. That means there is no object with the name of Suresh in the database.
Yeah.
Okay. But what is this Suresh? Suresh is a temporary data set. Suresh is a CTE here. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to execute this whole query at once. Okay.
Got it.
You cannot execute this query alone and this query alone. You have to execute the whole thing at once. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear. Yeah.
Okay. So this is about common table expression. The next concept will be views. So views are just like a data set, but not a temporary. Okay. Views are a database object. Views can be created physically. Okay.
Okay.
Like this is our temporary data set, right?
Yeah.
So this is our temporary data set, which is not physical. Okay. It is a logical table or a virtual table. Okay. But the same thing we can create as a physical table using views. Okay.
Yeah. Got it.
The same thing we can create an object using views. So view is also a database object. Okay. Just like table, it is also a database object, physical object, which is available in the database. And it is just the logical representation of the data. Okay. It is just a logical representation of data based on one or more tables. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see, I'll just use the same thing here. Okay. Create view. So I'm just trying to create a simple view here. For an example, create view name. So now I'll write okay.
Okay.
As now we have to write the query inside. So this is how we can create a query. So let's just execute this. It says command completed successfully. Just refresh this database. Go to views here. It is this practice. You can see under the views. So there is a view created, view underscore Suresh. Okay. Now I'll be able to query that. Select start from view underscore Suresh. To execute this, I'll be able to get the data along with the row number. Okay.
Yeah.
Along with the row number, I'm getting the data. But if I do the same thing here, so let's say I'll do this thing here first, I'll get an error. And this thing separately, I'll get an error. I have to do this in CTE. I have to execute the queries at a time. Okay, along with the CTE query. Okay.
Yeah.
But this Suresh is not available in the database. It is a virtual data set which will be created at the time of execution and it will be deleted after the execution. Okay.
Yeah.
But the same query, if I put it in a view and create the view, so it will be available permanently and it will be available in the database as a physical object. Okay. So if let's see if I use Suresh here, select star from Suresh, it is giving me an error, invalid object. If I select this, it will give me an error. It will give me data. Okay.
Yeah, got
So
it.
that is the difference between CTE and view. So both are temporary. Both are different data sets. I mean derived from the physical table. Okay. But the CTE is not available physically. The view is available physically. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Now let's talk about the difference between views and tables here. Okay. So this is a view, right?
Yeah.
And this is a table. So based on the table only, we have created a view. Okay. Based on this EMP table, we have created this view, right?
Yeah.
If you see the logic inside the view, it is coming from EMP table only, right?
Yes, yeah.
Great. Doubts? Any doubts here?
No, yeah. Clear.
Here, right? Okay. So that means a view is dependent on a table. Okay. A view is dependent on one or more tables. Okay. And one more thing. So whenever we want to store some data in SQL, we will be storing them in tables, not the views. Okay. Views cannot store data. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Views cannot store data. Only tables can store data. Okay. So whenever, so let's say now our employee table has some data. That's why the view is also giving us some data. Okay.
Yeah.
If our table is empty, the view will also be empty.
Yep.
Okay.
Got it.
The view is just a mirror image of the base table. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say in some case, by mistake, we have deleted or dropped this table, EMP table. Okay.
Okay.
And this then this view will become invalid.
Empty.
Yeah. It will not give you any data. It will not. So let's say the data is not there. At least it will give you the column names. Okay.
Okay.
That it might not give you the data. So whenever the table is empty, it will at least give you the table column names. Right?
Got it. Yeah.
But when the table itself is not available, when the table itself is deleted, you will get an error. So the view will become invalid. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So one more thing is a view can store only metadata column. Metadata. That means the view can store only column names. It cannot store data. Okay. The data for the view should be coming from a table only. Okay.
Got
The
it.
data for the view should come from a table itself. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubts here on the views?
No, yeah.
No, right? Yeah. So here we have different types, simple view and complex view. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever the thing we have seen now, so whenever we are using only one table inside, whenever we are using only one table inside the view, it is called a simple view. Okay.
Okay.
But whenever we are using multiple tables, let's say if you join the CMP table by department table. Whenever we are using two or more tables, it will be a complex view.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
you are using only one table. So here we call this as a base table for this view. Okay.
Yeah.
For this view underscore Suresh, EMP table is the base table. Okay. For the next view, it has two base tables. One is employee table and another one is department table.
Department. Yeah.
Okay. We have two base tables for the complex view. Okay.
Yeah.
We're good with views here.
Yes, yeah. Got it.
So we have two more views types which are not important. So we will discuss them at the end. Okay. So one is view with schema binding, and one more is view with encryption. Okay.
Okay.
So we will discuss them at the end. Okay. So these two mostly in the real time. So we will be using the complex kind of views, which is having one or more base tables. Okay. Clear?
Yes, yeah.
So let's talk about case statements. So case statements will be used to validate multiple conditions and replace them with user values. Okay.
Okay.
Case statements will be used to validate multiple conditions and replace with user values. Any doubts here?
No, yeah.
Let's see what is that means. Let's see what is validating and what is replacing with user values. So this is our table, right? So this is our data. Okay. Now, so what I want is I want an extra column. Okay. I want an extra column where it should say whether the salary of the employee is greater than 2000 or less than 2000. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
The new column should say whether the salary is less than 2000 or greater than 2000. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
So for that, what I can use is I can make use of case statements here. Let's see how I can write it. Promote case when salary is less than 2000,
or
then should say less than 2000. Okay. Now we can say less than. Okay.
Yeah.
When salary is greater than 5,500. and salary is greater than 3,500, then and as you should give a column name here. I'll just give some random name. Okay, so let's execute this. See, apart from the existing columns, I have got a new column here. The column name
Yeah.
is case condition.
Case condition.
Okay. So what are the values inside the case condition here? So based on the given condition, what is the condition we have given? Salary less
Salary.
than 2,500. So that is the condition we have given. So it will validate that condition and it will replace or give you some new values. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, yeah.
So where if you see, if the salary is 800, it has given less than 2,500. That salary is 1,600, less than 2,500. If the salary is 2,975, it has given greater than 2,500. So what it is doing, it is just validating the given condition and giving us the user values. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Got it.
So if you see here, so we have one last record where the salary is 2,500. It is not less than or equal to less than, or it is not greater than.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why it is not falling under any condition. Okay. Right. It is not falling under any condition.
So it will automatically take it as a null.
Yeah, it will automatically take it as a null. So if you want that also to be a value, we can give something like that. So after giving all the conditions, okay. So whatever whoever the employees are falling under this bracket, they will get less than 2,500 tag. Right? Yeah. And whoever employees who are falling under this bracket, they will get greater than 2,500 tag. Okay.
Yeah.
And the other employees who are not falling under any of these brackets will get new tag. You can write like this. Else, I'll write equals to like that. Okay.
Okay.
So if they're not falling under any of these brackets, they will get this tag. Okay.
Yeah.
See, so only one employee has got equals to 2,500. Clear?
Yes, yeah. So the case statement is used to?
Case statement is used to validate the multiple conditions.
Okay.
And give us new values or replace the existing values. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear? Any doubts?
No, yeah. Once again, validate the multiple conditions.
And give us new values or replace the existing values.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Yes. Just a minute.
Yeah, then just a minute. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, Jan, we can continue.
Yeah. So let's discuss about variables now. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have temporary tables. Okay. So variables, we have two types, local and global.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Sorry about this. There's only one type. Variables are just variables. That's it. Okay. Okay. So let's see how we can use the variables here. Okay.
Okay.
So to be able to use the variables in a SQL query, okay, you
Okay.
just have to first declare them. Okay.
Yeah.
You have to declare. Declare means create. Okay. For variables, we will not call it as creating. We'll call them as declaring.
Declare.
Okay.
Okay.
We just have to first declare the variables and then give or set up a value for that variable. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? Let's see how we can declare the variables. So the keyword is just declare. Declare. And one more thing is the name of the variable should always start with @ symbol. Okay.
Okay.
Like this. Okay. So this is my variable name. Okay. And now
Yeah.
I have to say give a value for this. For that, set @ name equals to, you can give any value.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how we can declare the variable and give a name for that. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you see, we are getting an error here, right? So what it is saying? Must declare the
Declare the
scalar
scalar
variable.
value.
That, so if you see, we have declared it, but the thing is we have not given the data type for that variable. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to give the data type also where here. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how we can declare a variable. Declare variable name and its
Vector.
data type.
Yeah.
Set variable name and the value you want to assign to that variable. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Got it.
how we can use variables in the query? So let's see where name equals to @name. Instead of giving the name directly, I'm making use of variable here. Okay. So
Okay.
here I cannot just execute the query alone. I have to execute the variables also, declaring variables also. Okay. Every time, whenever you're using a variable inside a query, the declaration of that variable should also be included while executing. Okay.
Got it, sir.
If you see, I've got the ename whose name is John.
So,
Okay. So if I
yeah.
change it here, Smith, I'll keep it as Smith. Okay. Now what I'll get? I'll get the employee whose name is Smith.
Smith.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is
Got it.
in the query, we will not be able, we cannot change the value in the query, but we can change the value in the variables. Okay.
Yeah.
So these concepts will be useful. So whenever you are writing some long queries, well, because most of the time this will be used to use the data filters. Okay. So whenever you're writing a complex query, where you have to use table date filters or date parts multiple times. Okay. Instead of writing the dates every time in the query in all the places, you can just create a variable and set the dates to that, and you can use that variable everywhere. And if you want to change the dates, you can easily change only at one place, right?
Yeah.
You just have to change the dates at only
Name.
one place. Yeah, whatever it is. You can
Got
just
it.
have to
Got it.
change the variable, value of the variable once, and all wherever the variable is used, everywhere the date will be changed. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is about variables. So we have two more concepts like temporary tables and table variables. Okay. So we
Yeah.
will discuss that tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.